Thank you. Hello, everyone. I'm Arman from CyberSecurity Malaysia. So I would like to talk about IoT and ICS security labs and guidelines that we have developed. The CyberSecurity Malaysia's journey, we are formed as a MyCERT in 1997. And then because of the criticality, we have upgraded ourselves with the mandate from the government to form a CyberSecurity Malaysia from 2007. And until now, we have been mandated to report it to Ministry of Digital. Okay, our vision is to be a world-class cybersecurity specialist agency. So to lead development of safer and more resilient cyber ecosystem to enhance national security, economic prosperity, and social harmony through a provision of quality and impactful services, a frontier expanding cyber knowledge and technical supremacy, and continuous nurturing of talent and expertise. Okay, there is a 5 major function from us, which is cybersecurity responsive services, cybersecurity proactive services, outreach and capacity building, strategic study and engagement, and also industry and research development. This is one of our services, which is under digital forensic. We have cyber CSI, cyber discovery, and also cyber dev. Not to say that we are also an expert witness in the court of justice. So government can engage us to do the forensic, digital forensic to any of our digital products, which is either it's a handphone, laptops, or computer, or whatever. This is the main function, actually, from the CyberSecurity Malaysia, which is a MyCERT and Cyber 999, where we will come out with an advisory security alert to our Malaysian users. And this is the other one, which is under proactive services. We have MASEF, Malaysian Security Evaluation Facility, where we have the common criteria lab testing. And the other one is Malaysia Vulnerability Assessment Center, which is I lead about it. So what we do is we do a vulnerability assessment and penetration testing on the industrial control system, and also SSDLC, which is a secure software development life cycle. Also in the IR4 and Internet of Things. We have also a cryptography development. Will be lead on a post-quantum cryptography. Okay, we have another one, which is ISMA, Information Security Management and Assurance. This is being built under ISO IEC 27001, which is Information Security Management System. And also an information security body, which is ISEB. Sorry, am I too fast? Because we are catching time here. Okay, outreach and capacity building. Okay, what is it? CyberSafe, which is cybersecurity awareness for everyone. This is for the whole country. We have sent an awareness, we have training, and whatsoever. Under CSPD, which is cybersecurity professional development, we have CyberGuru. We have also a global A certification, which is recognized by the whole world. This is the certification for a pen tester. So if you want to be one of the pen tester, yes, we can help you to get this certification. Under strategic study and engagement, we have strategic study, government engagement, and international engagement. The industry research and development, we have more research on the mainly for cybersecurity domain. We have also a CCP, which is a collaboration, a CyberSecurity Malaysia collaboration program, which you can collaborate with us if you have a good product or you have a good services. And last but not least, which it is MyCSE, which is My Cybersecurity Clinic. MyCERT will provide a trustworthy services to recover your data. In an event when there is a flood, which is natural disaster, which is flood and whatsoever, so your computer, your phone, your tablet will not work. So what we do is we take your phone and your computer, take out the hard disk, and they will recover the data for free. That is for Malaysian. Okay, this is some of the awards we have. ECBA, OpenGov, Interpol, the brand laureate, capture the flags. And the other one, we have a CIO, CSO award, BSI awards, and OpenGov, and a few others. For the international leadership, we have OIC CERT, we have MTCP, we have EPICERT, and also the best is World Trustmark Alliance and the common criteria. For the common criteria, our lab has been accredited and certified every year so that when there is a manufacturer or device developer would like to have a CC certified, a common criteria certification, they can come to us so we can certify their products is meet with the industrial standard of cybersecurity. Yeah, for CyberDSA, CyberDSA is actually an enhancement of the National CyberSecurity Malaysia Award, Conference and Exhibition. It will be held every year. The CyberDSA 2024 has been held in 8th of August 2024. So the next is CyberDSA 2025, which is from 7 to 9 October 2025. You are most welcome to come. You can also scan the QR code to know more about the CyberDSA. CyberDSA is a Cyber Digital Services, Defense and Security Asia. Okay, this is CyberSecurity Malaysia in the news. It is in local news, where we have a cybersecurity report, a steep jump in a data theft last year, and also a CyberSecurity Malaysia report on the government sector suffered most data breaches, while telcos spill over 400 gigabytes of data in Q1 of 2023. This is 2 of 4 from MyVec. We have this guideline, which is, I would like to talk about the secure industrial control system, the guideline for ICS, and also the guideline for secure Internet of Things, the IoT. You can take a picture, then scan it later, no problem. This is the establishment of our ICS and IoT lab. Mostly we have been combined with Japan's ICS lab. So we have IoT lab and ICS lab. And actually, that's me down there. That is for testing the transportation system, which is for train system. We have simulated the train crash. We have simulated many train system taking over, hacking, and what. The aims for this IoT and this ICS lab is to focus into identifying vulnerability in IoT and industrial control system, particularly SCADA equipment, and we will develop an effective mitigation strategies. And we're also open to everybody, or to everyone, if you want to collaborate with us. This is our ICS and IoT lab, and also the vulnerability assessment and penetration testing. Yeah, we do go to an offshore and oil rigs, mostly for Petronas in Malaysia. We do test their ICS equipment, ICS frameworks, and also on the land we have a traffic light, the CCTVs monitoring, and we also have the robotic arm. Yeah, this is the training and awareness. We have been done since 2014. I think everybody knows this. This is the first Shodan web page. Okay, in 2014, IoT and ICS attacks in Malaysia increases because of one. People found out about the Shodan HQ website. There is also free and paid data for this Shodan, so they can buy. Shodan website has been online since 2009 until now. They have already changed, I think, 3 times. The first one is shodanhq.com, and then they moved to a new domain name, which is shodan.io, and currently they are using shodan.com, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know why they changed their domain name. The red and blue exercise. This is a very good exercise. And I think you have to do this in your country. The red and blue exercise. Because where the sysadmin faces an actual situation with hackers. This has been done in 2015. Okay, the red team versus the blue team. What is red team do? Red team is a group of hackers that intend to hack company XYZ, we name it as XYZ. And what is the blue team do? An IT team for company XYZ who will defend their infrastructures. And the most famous poster, I think, Anonymous at that time is very popular, so I'm sorry, Anonymous, I have to use your poster. Okay, the role and responsibilities. For the red team, the objective is to compromise the SCADA devices, which is a Tofino PLC in this scenario, to take over the blue teams, to collect information and use it to penetrate the blue team system, to capture proof of vulnerabilities and or compromise of the blue system. And for the blue team, their roles and responsibility will be to secure their networks and also the application and also the OS to ensure their production network and services is running, always up and running. They have to. For the scoreboard, this is the scoreboard. We have created the scoreboard because of every function or every vulnerabilities or every leak that has been detected by the red team will be in this scoreboard. And also the blue team, if they can defend their system, they will also got a new point. And sadly, and very sad, the blue team has lost. Not by far, I think around 20 points. So the red team still won. Why of that? This is the VMware configuration. It is actually mostly reflected in their CII sectors. We actually gathered around 30 people from various CII sectors. So they don't know each other mostly, and I choose around 5 people from that groups to be hackers, to be the red team. And what about the blue team? Yes, the rest will be in the blue team, and they still lost. Because of what? First is communication. So when you don't know each other, so the communication is very hard. So that's why the blue team has lost. And not for the hackers. They only have one intent, to penetrate you. That is what hackers' mindsets for. Okay, mostly for the network diagrams and also the VM configuration is mostly reflected at their framework, at their sector at that time. And yes, I see an upgrade from this, which has been better. I know this diagram because I'm the one who do the VIPT for many sectors in Malaysia. Okay, this is for the IoT security layer. From layer 1, we have the IoT nodes, smart city, healthcare, smartphone, transportation, and computers. On the layer 2, there will be a communication gateway with this wireless protocol and telco radio base station. And the layer 3, we have firewall rules, network devices, web applications, and others. And for the layer 4, we have the data integration, visualization, and also the analysis. And last but not least, the IoT security policy and regulation. Within all of this layer, each layer can be penetrated. So until the 5th layer, which is the IoT security policy and guideline, regulation will be in comments. So before this, the IoT security layer is compromisable. Yes, a new move from us, which is the IoT technical codes. It's just been developed, it's in a draft mode. What we incorporate in this technical code is the secure by design and the privacy by design, of course. What is secure by design? This is one of the examples I can find out there. On the first one, on the first red box, which is secure by default, all the routers purchases after 2017 are secure by default, and that is good. The password can be located on the bottom of the unit by the serial number. That is good, because the hackers could not know what is the actual password for the router. But if you see on the second box here, the step 2, enter or select username as admin and enter your password, which is blank by default. Will you still accept this in the year 2024? Please don't. Okay, this is the secure by design principle. The last is the best, which is minimize the attack surface area. This is what we have to do. We have to minimize the surface area to be attacked, so we can mostly protect our networks. Security is not complete without you. I mean you. So without you, the security is not complete. So the people, process, and technology, the PPT framework for the organization is good to be implemented, where the people, process, and technology have to be balanced to each other. Not too much people and not too much technology and not too much process. So it has to be balanced. I think the picture speaks 1,000 words. I think speak louder than words. It will take only one vulnerabilities to take down not just one application, but the whole organization. So remember this: if you have one vulnerability, you are 100% vulnerable. Am I correct? Remember this. Thank you. And last but not least, if you think one application could ruin your organization, think again. I don't want to say this, but beware. This can happen to you. Not just a small organization, it also could be a big organization. So you have to secure your equipment. This is layer 1 of the OSI layer. The first one, which will be the equipment, the router, the network cable, and so on. If you can secure your layer 1 better from today, that's better. And for that, thank you everyone.